unlock by fingerprint, and you can pull up to lock it up. You unlock by the password, and unlock by brushing the card. And there are two keys. Here's the keyhole. Press it, open the keyhole, and unlock by the keys. And lock it up by the keys. And here is a micro USB emergency power. For example, I take down one battery. Now the lock has no power. You can insert the micro USB and power on the lock. Now the lock has power. Your fingerprint to enter the room and change the new battery. And also, okay, press the doorbell, and the people can hear and come to open the door.